When is the Chinese New Year? Chinese New Year usually takes place in January or February of each year, but the exact date will change according to the Chinese lunisolar calendar. The lunisolar calendar is based on the lunar and solar cycles. Each year the Chinese New Year dates will be slightly different. Chinese New Year will always occur in January or February. When is the Chinese New Year? The Chinese lunisolar calendar is based on lunar and solar cycles, so this calendar will change yearly. The Chinese New Year will change according to this calendar. The Chinese will have a different zodiac animal for the New Year each year. Below is a chart to show some of the dates for the Chinese New Year by year and the zodiac animal for each year. What is the Chinese New Year? Chinese New Year is also the Lunar New Year or the Spring Festival. It is the major holiday celebrated throughout many countries in East and Southeast Asia. The legend of the Chinese New Year, the beast Neon. The Chinese New Year has a legend of the beast known as Neon. According to legend, every year on the night before the New Year, the monster named Neon comes out of its hiding place to terrorize villagers and their livestock until they pay tribute to the beast Neon. Knowing about the beast Neon, the villagers devised a plan to hang red lanterns and light firecrackers, as they knew the beast did not like the red color or loud noises. To their surprise, this plan worked, so it eventually spread around China. People started hanging red decorations and firecrackers every New Year to ward off evil spirits while bringing good luck for the New Year. Chinese New Year and zodiac animals. Each of these signs will come with specific characteristics and qualities that can influence a person's behavior, outlook, and destiny for that entire year. It also helps to define whether or not this will be a good year or a bad year. As time passed, this practice evolved into what we know today as the Chinese New Year. The Chinese New Year is a 15-day celebration filled with traditional customs and has become deeply rooted as a traditional holiday throughout much of Asia. Many countries will observe the Chinese New Year, including China, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and many more. Chinese New Year and zodiac animals. Not only is this holiday celebrated in many countries, but each year there will be a new zodiac animal for the year. The zodiac calendar system consists of 12 animal signs: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Each of these signs will come with specific characteristics and qualities that can influence a person's behavior, outlook, and destiny for that entire year. It also helps to define whether or not this will be a good year or a bad year. The Chinese New Year zodiac animals. Below is a list of some of the Chinese New Year zodiac animals and the qualities of each of the animals. For example, their lucky numbers are colors, flowers, direction, and qualities of those born in a specific year or what a specific Chinese New Year may bring. Rat. The rabbit is the first animal in the Chinese zodiac system. It is said that people born in the year of the rabbit are considered quick-witted, resourceful, versatile, and kind. Your lucky number are 2 and 3. Your lucky colors are blue, gold, and green. Your lucky flowers are lily and African violet. Your lucky direction is west, northwest, and southwest. Ox. The next animal is the ox. People born in the year of the ox are considered diligent, dependable, strong, and determined. Your lucky numbers are 1 and 4. Your lucky color is white, yellow, and green. Your lucky flower is a tulip and peach blossoms. Your lucky direction is north or south. Tiger. The tiger is also an important animal in the Chinese zodiac system. Those who are born in the year of the tiger are considered to be brave, confident, competitive, and also unpredictable. Your lucky number is 1, 3, 4. Your lucky color is blue, gray, and orange. Your lucky flower is a yellow lily and cineraria. Your lucky direction is east, north, or south. Rabbit. Those born in the year of the rabbit are considered quiet, elegant, and kind while at the same time responsible. Your lucky number is 3, 4, and 6. Your lucky color is red, pink, purple, and blue. Your lucky flower is plantain lily and jasmine. Your lucky direction is east, south, and northwest. Dragon. Those born in the year of the dragon are considered confident and intellectual while simultaneously enthusiastic. Your lucky number is 1, 6, and 7. Your lucky color is gold, silver, and grayish white. Your lucky flower is bleeding heart, glory bower, and dragon flowers. Your lucky direction is east, north, and south. Snake. The people born in the year of the snake are considered enigmatic, intelligent, and wise. Your lucky number is 2, 8, and 9. Your lucky color is black, red, and yellow. Your lucky flower is an orchid or cactus. Your lucky direction is east, west, and southwest. Horse. A horse is an essential animal in China, so it also has a place in the calendar. Those born in the year of the horse are considered animated, active, and energetic. Your lucky number is 2, 3, and 7. Your lucky color is yellow and green. Your lucky flower is calla lily and jasmine. Your lucky direction is east, west, and south. Goat. After the horse comes to the goat and those born in the year, the goat is considered calm, gentle, and sympathetic. Your lucky number is 2 and 7. Your lucky flower is brown, red, and purple. Your lucky flower is carnation and primrose. Your lucky direction is north. Monkey. Those born in the year of the monkey are considered sharp, intelligent, and curious. Your lucky number is 4 and 9. Your lucky color is white, blue, and gold. Your lucky flower is chrysanthemum and crepe myrtle. Your lucky direction is north, southwest, and west. Rooster. Those born in the year of the rooster are considered observant, hardworking, and courageous. Your lucky number is 5, 7. Your lucky color is gold, brown, and yellow. Your lucky flower is gladiola and coxcomb. Your lucky direction is south and southwest. Dog. Those born in the year of the dog will be lovely, honest, and prudent. Your lucky number is 3, 4, and 9. Your lucky color is red, green, and purple. Your lucky color is rose, cymbidium orchid. Your lucky direction is east, south, and northwest. Pig. Those born in the year of the pig will be compassionate, generous, and diligent. Your lucky number is 2, 5, and 8. Your lucky color is yellow, gray, brown, and gold. Your lucky flower is hydrangea and daisy. Your lucky direction is east and southwest. Chinese New Year is a very important cultural event for the Asian community. It is a time when families and friends come together from near and far to celebrate this important celebration. Even though different countries may have specific types of celebrations, traditions, and beliefs, all remain unchanged. The Chinese New Year is a special holiday throughout many parts of Asia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. To find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and furniture products, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@mondoro.com or call us at 1-262-649-1539. To know more about us, check our social media below.